Hi everyone, my paper pumpkin for December has just arrived and it is called Day by Day. So I'm going to guess it's a calendar kit. We've had one a couple Januaries ago and it was a great little calendar, so nice for the desktop. And that is probably what this will be. Let's take a look at that stamp set. I'll put it on a white background. Lots of fun little shapes, maybe for layering. Hello. Every day is a fresh start. That's always good to remember. And some little fun little patterns. That'd be really cute background stamps. Really cute. Okay, so the stamp set, let me see if it's easier this way. Nope, I think it was easier for you to see this way. I'll hold it still for a second. There you go. Ooh, two Stampin' Spots. We have Pool Party and Grapefruit Grove. I don't think we've had a Grapefruit Grove Stampin' Spot. I might be wrong. And it's been a while since we've had a pool party too. So these are nice little additions to our spot collection. Let's see if I'm right. Yes. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, a box. Okay. So it is a calendar like I thought. Really fun. But it looks like it also comes with this cute little gift box with an acetate cover, so you can make up the project, and look at that ribbon, and then give it as a gift. So that is really fun. You've got a calendar, looks like there's a little page for each month, and oh, the little circle spot on that stamp set, you can circle or highlight a specific day on your calendar. Some tags so you can make your gift box and put who you're going to give it to on there, some extra ones to use at a future date. So here is a really fun December kit. Now the December kits have already gone out, so if you didn't get a chance to sign up for one, don't worry, I have extra. I always ordered a couple extra for some of the ladies and customers and guys at in my customer base, and so this would be an opportunity for you to get one. If you didn't get a chance, let me know. I don't have a lot of extra, and some are spoken for, but I do have a couple, so let me know, bethpapercuts.com, on my blog or my email, and let me know if you need one. You can find me on Facebook or here, and I will get in touch with you and make sure you get one of these really fun kits. This would be good for a coworker, teacher, real cute little Christmas gift. Yeah, real fun. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, you can do that right at my blog, bethpapercuts.com. Bye-bye.